In this video, we will be going to learn how to retrieve records from the table or how to search the records from the table. For this, we know to search any record, we have to use select statement. Now, how to design query in this Microsoft Access? First of all, click on the create tab. Open the table, click on the create tab, click on the query design. On this show table window, all the tables of this banking database is there. From this two table, we want to display all the records of this account table, so we add this account table. So this account table is added here. Close this show table window. Now, to display all the records of all the fields of the account table, we have to select fields from this window. Our first field is account number, second field is balance, third field branch name. Here you can set the order, sorting order. You can display ascending order, descending order based on this field. Similarly, you can set this ordering for different fields. Currently, we are not providing any criteria or any condition. We only want to display all the records of this account table. So here on this checkbox is tick. This shows that in the output all the fields are included. After this, click on this run button, so our query is executed and all the records from the account table is displayed here. Now to save this query, press Ctrl S and save the query. Select query. So our query is saved. Now to see the SQL view of this query, simply click on this view tab and click on the SQL view. As we know how to write the select statement, so to display all the records, so this is the query SQL view of this select query. Select account number, account balance, account B name from account. Again, to see the result, click on the datasheet view. Create one more query and provide some criteria, some conditions. So click on the query design, select the account table, close this show table window. Now we want to display account number and balance field. where branch name is equal to VVN. So this condition we have to provide in this criteria field. Branch name is equal to VVN. Here this checkbox for branch name is not tick, means this is not included in the output. So to run this query, click on the run. So all the records of the account table where branch name is equal to VVN is displayed using this query. Save this query, select query 1. We can see the account table here. VVN comes at the 3 places. So in our select query 3 records are there. We can also check the SQL view. This is the SQL view where we select the account number and balance where branch name is equal to VVN. In this way you can design different select queries in this Microsoft Access